Let's discuss fourth questioning exercise 12.2. Read the question. A chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeters subtends a right angle at the center. It means chord and radius forms a right angle at center. Is it clear? And given radius of the circle is 10 centimeters. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major sector. First draw circle. This is the circle with center O. Here chord and radius subtends a right angle at center. Draw chord of this is the chord of a circle AB, and here OA, OB or OA and OB are radii of circle. Chord and radius subtends a right angle at center. So this angle equal to 90 degrees. Okay, here we have to find minor segment. Minor segment means the region between chord and corresponding arc. This region is called segment of the circle. Here we have to find minor segment. This is the minor segment. Minor segment area. What is the area of minor segment? Area of minor segment equal to area of this total area, means area of minor sector. This is the minor sector. OA, suppose this point is P, OAPB is the minor sector of the circle. Area of minor sector minus area of this triangle OAB. Here we want minor segment area. So what is the formula for minor segment area? Area of minor sector, this total area, minus area of this part. This is like a triangle. Area of triangle AOB. So we don't know area of minor sector area. What is the area of minor sector? Area of minor sector equal to theta by 360 degrees into pi r square. Here theta equal to 90 degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square. Here given r value 10 centimeters. 90 degrees by 360 into pi value 3.14 into r square is 10. R square is r into r, 10 into 10. This value equal to 157 by 2 centimeters square, which is equal to 78.5 centimeters square. This is the area of minor sector. What is the area of triangle AOB? See this triangle AOB, right angle at O. What is the area formula? Of into base into height. Here height is AO, of into base is OB, height is AO. AO and OB or radii of the circle. Radius here given 14 centimeters. So area of the circle equal to, area of the triangle AOB equal to of into 10 into 10. 10 is the base of the circle and 10 is height of the circle. Here OA and OB are equal, both the radii of the circle. Okay. 2 5, it is equal to 50 centimeters square. Here we want area of minor segment. Area of minor segment equal to, let this is equation 1. From equation 1, area of minor sector minus area of triangle AOB. What is the area of minor sector? We get 78.5 centimeter square minus what is the area of triangle AOB? 50 centimeter square, which is equal to 28.5 centimeter square. This is the area of minor segment. Is it clear? Next, here we have to find major sector area. To find major sector, this is the OAPB is the minor sector. Remaining, let this point is Q. Here OAQB is major sector. Major sector. Okay, here we have to find major sector area. Area of major sector equal to area of circle. Area of circle. Area of circle minus area of minor sector. Is it clear? Here we want only major sector area. Here major sector is OA, QB. We want only this part area. So we don't want minor sector. We don't want this part. So area of the circle minus this part area. This is minor sector. Okay, area of circle minus area of minor sector. What is the area of circle? Pi r square minus minor sector area. We have already done 78.5 centimeter square. Pi value 3.14. Radius into radius 10 into 10. Radius equal to 10. 78.5. This one equal to 314 minus 78.5, which is equal to 235.5 centimeter square. Therefore, area of the major sector equal to, we got 235.5 centimeter square.